Hi, welcome to Builderall Design Lab. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to be creating and building a landing page for Homestead Living, a home management app designed to help households run smoothly and without friction. Let's dive right in. What if the mental load of running a home could simply disappear? Not because someone did more, but because everything was held in a system that worked intuitively. Homestead Living is built on that idea. It's not a task app or a shared calendar, it's a home operating system that is structural and designed to function the way the best run homes already do, without drama or reminders, and without one person carrying all of it. The app is designed to carry an entire household. It's made for partners, families, and anyone who has ever felt like the default manager of a space they're supposed to share. First, we head into the identity. The mark fuses the letter H with the silhouette of a home. A doorframe, an arch, a roofline, all in one gesture. Two vertical columns rise like a doorframe, and between them an arch lifts gently, tracing the roofline of a home reduced to its most essential form. It also draws form from two hands held together, a symbol of partnership and a household held together by a team. The result is a monogram and a threshold all at once, the entrance to a place that holds things together. It carries the same logic as the product. The right things held quietly in place so everything else can function seamlessly. The Homestead palette is inspired by the visual language of well-made, lasting things. Not just minimalism for its own sake, but the kind of restraint that comes from knowing what matters. Every element is considered, and nothing decorates without purpose. The palette is built around 5 tones drawn from real domestic materials. Ember grounds the palette in a near black with warmth in it, much like the inside of a cast iron pan or a beam gone dark with age. Flint, a blue-gray that holds a secondary structure. Plaster, a cool off-white that dominates many surfaces. Millipond, a muted steel blue that reminds you of still water or a painted shutter. And Worn Rose, a desaturated blush that introduces tactile warmth that brings to mind a much-used wooden handle. Together, these colors feel like surfaces in the same room. Everything recedes into a system that feels domestic and lets the identity feel unhurried and held together. I block out the page's sitemap and settle on 5 sections. I have my hero, my about, my inside homestead, my community tab, and a final call to action to download the app. I decide on a new morphic interface throughout, a style that creates surfaces that feel pressed into the background rather than floating above it. Each card is shaped by 2 shadows, one light, one dark, cast from the same imagined light source. The result is an interface that feels physical and light at the same time. I'll be diving deeper into that in another video, so be sure to catch the rest of the series. Once that's done, I create a new blank page in Builderall and begin uploading my brand assets into the business toolkit. Then, I head into the website builder and structure my sections from top to bottom. And with that, the foundation of my page starts taking shape. In the next video, we'll design the hero and about sections and establish the page's first impression. I've also prepared this page for you as a downloadable Builderall template, so let me know what you think of the design, and I'll see you in the next Design Lab video.